हम क्विक लास्ट 2 मिनट्स ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट मैं क्विक रैपिड फायर राउंड आपके साथ में करना चाहूँगा, जिसके लिए आप या तो जवाब 1 शब्दों में 2 शब्दों में कह सकते हैं या फिर चंद अल्फाजों में, बट विल मेक इट क्विक. व्हाट अबाउट द मोमेंट व्हेन मिस्टर के सिवान, हमारे जो एक्स इसरो चीफ थे, जब चंद्रयान 2 ये अपना काम नहीं कर पाया एंड देन यू सॉ मिस्टर मोदी उनकी पीठ पे थपाई देते उन्हें, जैसे कहते हैं ना हिंदुस्तान में कि पीठ उनकी थाप रहे थे, तो वो मोमेंट कैसा था एज अ फाउंडर एंड एज समवन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री?
Someone who lived similar moment with our Pratham satellite, couple of drops in both the eyes.
True.
That was exactly the moment.
And I think हिंदुस्तान के लिए भी वही था.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए वही था.
Yeah, and I think वो पीठ पे वो जो थाप था वो बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत रखता था.
Exactly, that's the leadership.
Yeah, yeah.
इसको हम leadership कहते हैं कि I'm there for you. Go ahead, try one more time.
What's your take on Mr. Somnath, the ex-ISRO chief?
Oh,
Dr. Somnath ji.
Very energetic, very pro-industry, and very approachable. You can just message him and you'll get a reply from him. Amazing human being.
14 जनवरी 2025 को एक नए इसरो चीफ का नियुक्त हुआ है. नए इसरो चीफ हमारे आए हैं डॉक्टर नारायणन. उनके बारे में आपके क्या विचार है, अगर आपको मौका मिला हो पुराने वक्तों के साथ काम करने में?
Very accomplished person, very smart, very strong leader. Hope to engage with him more.
Soon, so we are coming. Please come to our podcast. It would be a pleasure. All right, होमी भाभा क्या अहमियत रखते हैं आपके लिए?
होमी भाभा, विक्रम साराभाई, UR राव, जो ये 5-6 लोग उस जमाने के हैं जिन्होंने they are like a flag bearer of the OGs of the industry.
Yeah, OGs of the industry.
Absolutely.
True. I mean, getting the Gen Z slang. Lovely. Yeah. And I think जैसे Galileo Galilei ने कहा था ना, I think उन्होंने नहीं कहा था या किसी ने कहा था कि I'm standing on the shoulders of the giants.
Yes.
And that's how I'm seeing what I'm able to see.
Absolutely.
What about Satish Dhawan ji, जिनके नाम पे
exactly same Homi Bhabha, Satish Dhawan.
Yeah.
It's the same lines of
because
when we say space, nuclear, and probably the defense. So those three industry go hand in hand. That's why that's the giant along with APJ Abdul Kalam sir.
Kalam साहब.
Absolutely.
ठीक है. कोई favorite recommendations या फिर advices for movies and books that you should watch और आपकी personal favorites?
Books now बहुत सारी, but अभी recommend करूँगा. I'm reading about Elon Musk currently. This is new, the Isaac Newton's autobiography of Elon Musk. Absolutely amazing. Learn from it how he was able to build Tesla and how he was able to build SpaceX and why the SpaceX is SpaceX. Absolutely amazing. So I would definitely recommend everyone who's into the space, automobile, this kind of new industries, do read that. That is very interesting. Other personal will be for me is definitely Bhagavad Gita. If you want to learn about the life, or the Upanishads, anything that works for you.
Should we see a day or dream of a day where SpaceX के launch vehicles पे we are seeing Manastu space के propulsion systems?
No, I don't think you need to dream it. It's happening. It's soon.
Lovely.
Soon.
Mr. Musk, we are coming. Please. Okay? All right. Lastly, do you believe in aliens?
I think this people like Elon Musk are alien, I think. So why not? It's not humanly possible things. Some of the people who have achieved, of course, not going into something that something that is happening, but definitely what he has achieved.
Alright, any favorite space movies?
October Sky.
Okay.
Favorite movie because October Sky I can absolutely relate to the Pratham experience, and we watched multiple times when we were building a Pratham satellite.
Alright. And that's it from my end. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for this opportunity, this acknowledgement. I hope you had a good time.
Thank you, Raj. It was lovely talking, sharing the journey, and everything flash in front of eyes. पूरे से movie की तरह. So thank you so much. Lovely talking.
Absolutely a pleasure. So ladies and gentlemen, भाइयों बहनों, देवी और सज्जनों, this is the Manastu Space Podcast featuring the founder and CEO, Mr. Tushar Jadhav. मेरा नाम है राज. हम जल्द मिलेंगे. तब तक, Space for all mankind. Here we come, and we are trying to give you green propulsion systems. साथ में भाइये, साथ चलते हैं ऊपर आसमान तक. Thank you so much.
Thank you.